Hey loves, if you're interested in a very detailed tutorial on how I achieve this pink natural cut crease look, stay tuned. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Fairy Tale eyeshadow book. We'll take a fluffy brush and go into the mustard color. We're going to spritz the brush with the MAC Primer Mist just to help deposit a deeper tone of the colors that we're using. As you see, we'll begin to deposit that color onto our eyelid in the crease area, and we'll gradually build up that color by adding more of that mustard color into that area, just for a deeper tone. As you can see, I've finished both eyes with the mustard color. Now we're going in with those two darker shades with a smaller fluffy brush, lower in the crease, and we're just going to blend those two colors out with our transition color, which was the mustard color. Continue to blend, sis. Continue to blend. Throughout this video, you'll notice me blending a lot. Don't cheat yourself on blending. That can make or break your look. Okay, so now we're going in with a more precise brush, and this is just a crease brush. We're going to take a darker color and add it into our crease in the corner of our eye just to build up dimension. And then we're going to take a fluffier brush and we're going to blend those colors out. I did pick up the same two dark colors with this brush also, just to add a little bit more dimension and to blend it all together. Doing the same on this eye. Continue to blend. As you can see, I'm taking that second brush that we used to deposit the red looking color into the crease, just to blend out the darker shade just a little bit more on both eyes. Now we're going to go in with a brush and some concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. We're going to take that brush and we're just going to create a semicircle on the eyelid. This does take some practice and some time, so take your time. No need to rush. As you can see, I looked up. This is just to make sure that when I look up, the colors doesn't deposit in a place that it don't need to be. And as you can see, it did. So since those colors transfer, I just connected my little dots and continued to make my circle. As you can see, the video is sped up and I am still making that circle, sis. I'm telling you, I still have a hard time making this circle to create a cut crease. But if you do it right and take your time, it's gonna come out perfect. Don't give up. You can do it. Keep creating that circle with that concealer. Take your time. Move slow. No fast motions. And we're almost done. As you can see, I didn't take the concealer all the way to the end. You can. I just don't personally for this look. I didn't want that feel, so I didn't. Here we're taking a crease blending brush. We're just going to deposit the darkest colors that we used to blend out the concealer. We're going to go in the Morphe palette and we're going to grab that pink color and we're just going to deposit directly in the center of our eyelid where the concealer ends and in the middle right before the concealer starts. We're going to keep adding that pink color just to build a deeper look. The more you add, the deeper your colors come out. So keep that in mind. Now we're going to go in that same palette, and it was a white shade. If you didn't get to see it, you can reverse back. We're going to take that white shade and just take that right in the beginning of where we started our concealer and right a tad bit over into the pink just to blend it out some. As you can see, I'm just building up that color because I am a sister with a little melanin in her skin, so we have to add up those lighter shades. Okay, so since we're working with something, we getting somewhere. It's cute. Now we're going to go in with our same concealer and we're just going to clean it up a bit. This step is optional as well. I like a very finished, cut, straight to the point look. So this is what I'm doing. If you do this step, please blend it out, baby, because I don't want you walking around looking surprised or highlighted in the wrong areas. So let's blend that out. The brushes I'm using to blend out is just a dense brush. Nothing spectacular. Now my favorite step, we're just going to add highlighter to the brow bone just to give it a little personality. Next, I'm going in with my NARS All Day Luminous Full Coverage Foundation. And here I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm just going to highlight a few of my features. Me personally, I usually don't do this step, but for the sake of the video, I guess I would do it for you guys. I don't highlight some areas that people normally highlight, but this is what I do highlight when I do feel snazzy enough to do it. Okay, so this next product that I'm going to use is a product that I'm actually trying out by request. It's a product that I really don't think I like. It's a translucent powder made by Laura Mercier. I think that's how you say her name. It has like fine glitter in it or highlighting pigments. For me, I don't think it fit my skin tone, but I got a trick that makes it work. Now we're going to take our finishing powder by Smashbox, which is also a new product that I'm trying out and I'm actually loving it. We're just going to dust off the extra translucent powder. Next, we're going to contour our face. I go in with a contour brush, and the contour palette that I use is a palette by Sephora. It's their Sephora brand contour palette. And I go in with the darkest shade and I blend that out. And word to the wise, a little go a long way with this step. You will look like you have a dirty face. As you can see, you'll see like a yellow cast up under my eye. That's the part I don't like about this translucent powder, so we're going to fix it. I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and I'm going to try to blend it out. As you can see, that does not work. So let's resort to something else. Here I'm going to go in with another translucent powder. This translucent powder can be found in Walmart in the Black Radiance section. We're going to take that same Black Radiance translucent powder and just add just a tad bit right up under where we contoured at, just to achieve that chiseled look. As you can see, I'm having quite a hard time. Now we're going in with the same brush that we used for the Smashbox finishing powder, and we're just going to blend that translucent powder out. As you can see, I forget to blend it out on my jaws, but y'all, I promise I'll go back and get it. My favorite step, we're going in with the highlighter. This is actually a Black Radiance highlighter that I'm using. It's actually a bronzer that I'm using as a highlighter. So, girl, use what you got. And yes, you are cute. Excuse my brother over there. Now we're going in with the mascara just to make sure I don't look like I don't have any bottom lashes, because that's not a cute look. And we're just gonna mascara those babies so that they can show. All-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, which is the best setting spray ever. If you have oily skin like me, I'm just gonna set my face. And if you don't have setting spray, a little secret, you can use hairspray. Now on to the lippy. Me, I'm a simple girl. I love my hair store lip gloss, y'all. That's my go-to. But as I know, some people don't like the lip gloss look, so we're gonna add some pink into it. And this is actually a matte lipstick, but I put the gloss on first, so it's gonna be a pink lip gloss. And once you've completed your lippy, the look is finished. Look at how amazing it came out. Be sure to leave comments, share, subscribe, and like this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.